Hi guys, welcome back, and I am back here with the new glow recipe, Lumiglow Hue Drops. It's the new hue drops that they have that's like a nice glowy tanning bronzing drops, which is pretty cool. I'm excited to try it. This is what I typically use, which is the Drunk Elephant one, or I switch it up with the L'Oreal Lumiglow, or I even use the Charlotte Tilbury glow because I like some kind of glow under my skin tint or my foundation. And it has niacinamide, which is great because it apparently not only does it give you the bronzing glow, but it also brightens your skin. And then over time of using it, you will also get skin benefits to it. It helps to brighten dullness and even tones, and it has really good natural ingredients, sort of like skincare with bronzing drops. Between the two, I think these are the most comparable ones between these two, because they even have the same sort of feel and look to it. I'm gonna put it right here on my hand so you guys can see. So let me put it on. Very sort of like velvety and skincare-ish. It's on super smooth. I know I look crazy right now, I'm sorry. With it on, wow, look at that. Like, that looks really good. It makes your skin look sort of healthy. Put it just a little bit more. See if you can build it up. And I want to see if you're able to just use this on a day when you feel like going and just run out. Actually, let me see how it looks once you, and it looks so glowy. And it feels really good. It's a little tacky, but I think it's kind of good right now for you to put your skin tint or your foundation on. Up close and personal. See that glow? That looks really good. I like it. I'm really loving it. This is only the second time I've tried it, but it looks really good. Glowy, soft, hydrating, very much like skincare almost. And I would definitely buy it and try it again.